Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you why it's important to adjust your zip code when researching on Amazon and how ResearchBase can help you change it quickly. If you don't want to miss any ResearchBase tutorials or updates, just subscribe to this channel. You have any questions or feedback? Just post a comment below the video. Many times we read in various Facebook groups that people have the problem of getting not enough results on Amazon. This is mostly because they forgot to change the zip code on Amazon to the different marketplace. For example, if you are an European looking for something on the US marketplace, Amazon will only show you the products that are actually shipped to Europe. And that's why we have to change the zip code in this case to an US one. How this works exactly, I'll show you today. Here we are now on Amazon.com. At the left top of the screen, we can change the shipping address. Right now, it is set to my home address. In this field, we can enter a different zip code. But the question now is which one? As a European, I don't know American zip codes, and this is where ResearchBase comes in and helps you. We have all available marketplaces for Amazon here. And here we have a matching zip code. As you can see, this always changes to a matching zip code when you change the marketplace for Germany, for the UK, and so on. The easy part is that you just have to click on the matching zip code and it will be copied to the clipboard. Now we switch back to the Amazon.com page and enter the matching zip code and click Confirm. Now the shipping address is set to an American shipping address. That's all you need to do, but a lot of people don't think about it when they do their research. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and we'll see you at the next video. Bye.